The following presentation is about birds on our compound. On a daily basis, the schoolyard at Seaview Academy is very captivating with the sounds and sightings of birds. These warm-blooded vertebrates can be seen in the many trees that beautify our surroundings. Over the past 6 weeks, we observed these feathered flying creatures, and the following is our findings.
There were over 7 different species of birds observed on our school compound.
One of these birds is Antillean crested hummingbird, commonly known as the Dr. Bushy or Doctor Bird. We had about 90 sightings, mostly females, who were seen feeding off of flower nectars and insects.
The ground dove are very interesting birds to sight. They are mostly seen feeding on food crumbs in our school compound. There were 73 sightings of ground dove.
Turtle dove. These inquisitive birds can be seen peeking into classrooms. They are one of the largest population of birds on the compound. These were the only birds that we saw in the rain whenever the rain falls. They are mostly seen in the mornings and at 4 p.m. in the afternoons. They enjoy feeding on small insects and food crumbles that we put outside to attract them.
The GRASSQUIT, commonly known as the sparrow, is not seen all the time. They go and come. They were mostly seen in pairs, male and female. When they feed, the male always let the female eat first. There were about 16 pairs sighted.
The CARIB grackle, locally known as the blackbird. At first, we would mistake the CARIB grackle for a mini crow perching in the trees. This bird can be found on our compound in trees and breeding in the sproutings. They are mostly seen in groups of 2 or more. There were 50 sightings of the CARIB grackle.
The loggerhead kingbird. The loggerhead kingbird is a very aggressive bird. The kingbird can be seen pecking at other birds when they enter their territory. The kingbird prefers to eat insects. We enjoy the loggerhead kingbird's beautiful chirping and its daily visits on our schoolyard. We mostly see the loggerhead kingbird on power lines and at the top of trees. There were 50 sightings of this bird.
The banana quit or the yellow-breast bird. There were about 46 sightings of these birds, which were mostly found eating after the hummingbirds. They were mostly found in the Jamaican apple trees and the hibiscus trees on our school's compound. These magnificent birds enjoy eating small insects and also enjoy eating food particles on the ground.
Bullfinch. These magnificent birds were frequently seen in the almond nuts and date trees. We had a remarkable sighting of both males and females. Bullfinch tend to feed on the ground and food grains. There were 46 males sighted and 19 females, of which we had a peculiar view of 8 pairs.
The chicken hawk is very rare. We see the chicken hawk once in a while. We recognize the chicken hawk by its beautiful call when it's near food. There were 3 sightings.
The egret is a very interesting bird to sight. We mostly see the egret feeding on the insects and food crumbs on the ground. There were 17 sightings of egrets.
414 birds were sighted in all. The hummingbird, yellowbreast, bullfinch, ground dove, and turtle dove were the birds with the largest populations.
This project has helped us to appreciate birds, and we hope you do too.